Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, in my first video, we discussed about how to create the pharmacy related ledgers, stock items, units and alternative units. Okay friends, so regarding this in my previous video we discussed. So now how to pass the pharmaceutical transaction entries in Tally Prime. So regarding this today we will discuss. Okay. So go to vouchers, select vouchers, select purchase voucher. So before selecting the purchase voucher, you need to alter purchase and sales voucher type. Select alter, go to accounting master, select voucher type, select purchase, so go to method of voucher numbering, set to manual. So then only you are able to enter manual invoice number, otherwise you can't. Otherwise it will count serial number 1, 2, 3 like that. Accept. So next select sales. Method of voucher numbering, select manual, accept. Okay, go to vouchers, select voucher, go to press F9. So type, so this is the example transaction. The following materials purchased from Balaji Pharma Limited, GST at 18%, invoice number 3574. So type 3574 invoice number, again type 3574. So party name Balaji Pharma, accept all these things. Purchase ledger, purchase at 18%. So select one by one, cross in. So batch number C2365. 2365. So this is the batch number. Quantity 2000 strips. So rate 36 per strips. So expiry date, this is very important. So expiry date 1st December 2021. So it is showing expiry date. This is very important to pharmacy accounts. Okay. So next item, Euroglyph M2. So batch number G3247. So quantity 5000 strips. So rate 40 rupees. Expiry date 1/11/2021. So next one, Istavel 100 mg. So batch number M9457. Quantity 1000 strips. 190 per strips. So expiry date 1/10/21. So next one, Lipton. Friends, I forget to create this lifter tablets. So do one thing. Press Alt C. Create here. Lifter. Under tablets. Strip. Alternative units. Tablets. So this one 10 tablets equal to 1 strip. Maintain in batches, yes. Track date of manufacturing, no. Use expiry date, this is very important, set to yes. GST applicable. Set alter GST details, set to yes. So type HSN code. On value, select taxable, type 18%. Accept, not applicable. Accept. So lifter K0054. So quantity 2000 strips. So rate 50 rupees per strips. Expiry date 1/12/21. End of list. So next one, Pandy. So batch number D20547. So quantity 4000 strips. 125 per strips. Expiry date 11/22. So next one, Poyos 15 mg. Batch number A02314. So quantity 5000 seeds. I mean seed means strips. Rate 100 per strips. Expiry date 1/4/22. End of list. So over. Press one more enter. So now select CGST. Select SGST. Accept. Okay. So this is the purchase transaction in pharmaceutical division. Next, move to sales transaction. The following materials sold to Kalyan Medical Store, GST at 18%, invoice number 3574. So press F8, type invoice number 3574. So party name Kalyan Medical Store. Sales at 18%, crossing. Select batch number. So type quantity 1900 sticks. Rate 54. Next one, Euroglyph. Select batch number. So quantity. Sorry friend, this is not 49,000. Make it 4,900. ₹60. Next is the 1200. Select batch number, quantity 900 strips. So rate 315. Lifter. So quantity 1900. 75. Candy. So quantity 3900. 188. Fires 15 mg. 4900. 150. End of press. Press one more enter. So select CGST, SGST, accept. So page up. Control P for printing. So I will show preview. Alt Z. So this is the sales invoice. Okay. So like this we have to enter sales voucher. So next we move to one more purchase. Syrup purchase. The following materials purchased from Balaji Pharma Limited, GST at 18%, invoice number 3598. So press F9. So invoice number 3598. 3598. Purchase at, party, Balaji Pharmacy. Purchase ledger, purchase at 18%. Gelusil. So batch number M2589. Quantity 120 box. 120 per box rate. Expiry date 1/5/2022. So next one, Benadryl. So batch number G2050. Quantity 200 per box. 200 box. Rate 150 per box. Expiry date 1/3/21. So next one, Astaline. So batch number B9120. Quantity 150 box, 200 per box. Expiry date 1/1/22. Glycodin. So batch number C7564. $200 box, 220 per box. Expiry date 1/12/22. Last one, Honitus. So batch number K6879. So quantity 100 box, 250 per box. Expiry date 1/10/22. End of list. Okay. Press one more enter. Select CGST. Select SGST. Accept. This is e-way bill details. Okay. So take purchase invoice print. Page up. Control P. Preview. Alt Z. So this is the purchase bill. So like this you have to take the print. So next, one more entry. The following materials sold to Ganesh Medical Store, GST at 18%, invoice number 3598. Invoice number 3598. Okay. So go to sales voucher, F8, 3598 invoice number, party account name, Ganesh Medical Store, sales ledger, sales at 18%, Gelusil, select batch number, type the quantity, 110 box, rate 180 per box. So next one, Benadryl, so quantity 190 box, 225 per box. Astelin, 140, 300 per box. Glycodin, 190, 330 per box. Honitus, quantity 90 box, rate 375. Select CGST, SGST. Okay, and enter two more sales entries for cash, PhonePe and credit card. Okay, so type invoice number, select cash, sales at 18%. First select tablets. So Crocin 50, rate 54, Euroclip M2, 25, Stowell 100 mg, 25, so lifter 50, Pandy 50, Fires 15 mg, 50, CGST, SGST, okay. So next, credit card. So this time syrup, 5 bottles, 5 bucks. Benadryl 5, Gelusil 50, $330, Glycodane 50. So how much stock is there? So this is showing negative stock. Go to the end of list, select CGST, select SGST, okay friends. So next move to receipt entry. Press F12, it is showing single entry mode. See here, use CR/DR instead of 2 by during voucher entry. No. So change voucher mode. So that is here. So it is showing here. It is not in configuration. In earlier version, it was in configuration. Okay. So select double entry system. So now you will get credit and debit. Now you change. Press F12 configuration. Use CR/DR instead of 2 by during the entry. Set to yes. So then only it is showing CRDR. Now it is showing CRDR. So Ganesh Medical Store. So 2,37,000. So against reference. Sorry. So Ganesh Medical 2,37,180. State Bank of India. So next, Kalyan Medical Store. ₹27 lakh. State Bank of India. So make a payment to Balaji Pharma. Just assume you are going to pay 15 lakh against reference. So two bills are there. So you are going to pay first one 3574. State Bank of India. So type check number also and enter expenses. For example, rent under indirect expenses. $50,000 for example. So State Bank of India. So next, salary. ₹1 lakh. State Bank of India. Next, electricity charges. $10,000. State Bank of India. Alt C. Puja expenses. $5,000. Cash. This is cash payment. Security service charges. So these are the expenses incurred by Apollo Pharmacy Limited. So 15,000. State Bank of India. Okay friends. Now check the profit and loss account. Select profit and loss account. Alt F1 for detailed view. So this is the summary of profit and loss account. So total purchase 17 lakh 5,000. Total sales 25 lakh 43,650 plus closing stock. So gross profit is 8,61,000. Gross profit brought forward to profit and loss account of credit side. So these are the expenses. 8,61,700 minus 1,80,000. The difference is 6,81,700. So this is the net profit. Okay. So go to stock summary. Check the stock position. So syrup. So syrup, this is the closing stock. So this one is showing negative balance. Okay. So next one, tablets. So these are the tablets final stock position. Okay friends. So like this, you have to enter the pharmaceutical entries in Tally Prime. Okay friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you for watching my video.